Welcome to my review of the Meaco DD8L Pro dehumidifier. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. Now, why might you want a dehumidifier? Well, I certainly have benefited a great deal from using a dehumidifier over many years. Not only does it help with keeping mould at bay, damp conditions in homes, it can also help with the winter months when you're drying laundry, for example. It does just help keep the atmosphere and the environment you're living in at the ideal humidity. And this is an absolutely superb unit. Comes supplied in a nice box. This is ideal for use in garages, caravans, conservatories, boats, or indeed, as I mentioned earlier, in your home. Now, this particular model is a nice low noise model. It has a low noise level of 40 decibels. The water tank size inside is 2 litres. And you can easily remove this out of the side to empty the water it's collected. And it will actually extract up to 8 litres of water per day. Now, this is really packed full of some great features. It's got a heated airflow, an on-off timer, also an antibacterial ionizer. It's got a motorized louvre on the front, timer options, a laundry mode. It's app enabled. It's also got this really useful touch control on the top with a nice display, and included in that display is an optimal humidity heart indicator, which is a really useful feature. So as I mentioned earlier, why would you have a dehumidifier? Well, it can help prevent mold, it can help prevent damp, it can also help with condensation on your windows. This has got a laundry mode, a dedicated laundry mode, so it will help your laundry dry faster. It's also got a continuous drainage option, so instead of having to empty the water tank, you can actually have this continually draining out if you've got it in that sort of a location in your home. And there is even a wall mounting option for this as well. I've been using it just standing on the floor. It doesn't take up too much room. It's got a nice design to it, so aesthetically it's quite pleasing, and I think it looked great in any environment. Now, inside the box, apart from the dehumidifier itself, you do get some paperwork and you get a quick start guide, which is going to guide you through getting everything set up and running. You also get a full instruction manual as well. I just want to touch on a few things in this instruction manual. It tells you about how to register and how to get the app. It also mentions about this back panel here. Now, the back panel has got a combined dust filter and case on the back there, so that's something you have to sort of keep an eye on and clean on occasion as well. And also there is this piece on the back. This comes separately in the box. Just to let you know what this is a cable tidy assembly. It simply clips into the back and allows you to wind the power cable around it when it's not in use. Also, there are optional casters. I sort of wish they were included inside the box, but with this particular model, they're an optional purchase. And then you can see the control panel on the top of the unit. The control panel is brilliant. It's all touch control. There's an on-off button. There's a smart humidity mode. You press this, and each time you press it, it cycles through from the default humidity target to different humidity targets. And then when it reaches that humidity in the room, then it will automatically sort of stop collecting. You can also set a smart energy mode, and this uses different amounts of power depending upon your setting. So there's like a low, medium and a high setting using between 200 and 600 watts. And then something that's really great on this particular model is the smart laundry mode. This is brilliant because it defaults to a target humidity of 35%. It uses a high-speed fan, opens up the louvre on the front, and then it will help to extract moisture from your laundry. So the way I would suggest using this is actually getting a clothes horse, putting your clothes horse in front of the dehumidifier and setting the dehumidifier into the smart laundry mode, and it really does help to dry the clothes a lot quicker, and it stops that moisture going into the environment. It will collect it instead of it being in your room basically. There's also a night mode as well. There's a timer on and off function. There's an ionizer built in here as well, which is clinically proven to remove germs, bacteria, mold spores, odours and ticks from the air. This louvre as well that you can see going up and down on the front, this has also got various settings. You've got narrow, medium, wide or open setting. And then we've also got a child lock. So you can press the child lock for 2 seconds. It locks the control panel so it can't be sort of tampered with. We've also got some control panel display indicators as well. So when the water tank is full, this is the most important one, it will stop collecting water and it will let you know that that water tank needs emptying. The water tank is on the side on this one as well, really easy to take out and to empty. As I mentioned before, there is a little attachment that you can attach in here if you want to put it into a continuous drainage mode. The dust filter does need to be cleaned. I would say roughly every 2 weeks you should give that dust filter a clean. This is just a great product and I've been using this regularly over the past few weeks, and on a daily basis I would say that it collects around about 2 litres of water, and I sort of leave this in a central location on the lower ground floor, and it collects a really wide area, so it's got a good coverage. And then I also move it into individual rooms upstairs and do that on a rotational basis just to keep the damp at bay in those rooms. It's just a great product. It really does help improve your environment, and as I mentioned, it helps keep the humidity in your home at the ideal target level, which is absolutely superb. Now in the normal mode, it is reasonably quiet, not too obtrusive. You can hear it going, but it's a very low volume level. If you put it into laundry mode, then the fans are going to go a little bit faster and you are going to hear the unit working. But again, it's not too loud and it's just a superb product. And add to that the fact that you can have this connected to an app as well. It's just an overall really great experience. Meaco make a whole range of different products and the DD8L Pro should certainly be on your shortlist. That's it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.